Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, Mamushi here. Please don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look, Snatched. This look is inspired by RuPaul's Drag Race. I just finished season 11 and I love that show. So if you're interested to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Thank you. As you can see, eyebrows are done. Next, we will go to P.LOUISE Rumour Base 2 and apply it with this SEPHORA concealer brush. I have cleaned around my eyebrows as well with the foundation. Next step is the base. Eyeshadow base is done. Next, I'm going to use these shadow shields to help me achieve this sharp edge on the outer part of my eye. And this is how they look. And I'll just place them outside my eye. So I'm going to start with this Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette, and these are the shades. And I'm going to start with this dark brown down here and apply it all over my crease. Since I want to do a cut crease, I'm going to go a little bit above my crease and create a false crease. And make sure you go all the way till the end here. For now, I just want to pack on color. Make sure it's intense. Next, I'm going to take this shade, slightly darker brown shade, and apply it on the crease. I know I look crazy right now, but it's all gonna come together, I promise. Next, I'm gonna take this brown sugar palette. This is the collaboration between KARREUCHE and COLOURPOP, and these are the shades. I'm gonna take the color Amber and blend it out on top and get rid of these harsh lines. I'm taking a slightly fluffier brush. This is the MAC 224 brush. Blending all done. Now we'll go back to my P.LOUISE base. Cut crease is done. Next, to set the eyeshadow base, I'm gonna go to this shade Chai from the brown sugar palette, and I'm gonna use this Sigma E55 brush. It's a shading brush. Now to sharpen the cut crease and clean the edges, I'm gonna go back to the same shade from the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette, and I'm taking this MORPHE E36 brush. It's a small brush that will help me. Next, I'm taking the same shade but with a bigger blending brush, the MAC 224 brush, and I'm gonna start packing it here on the outer part of my eye. Next, I'm gonna go back to the other brown shade that I used first and use my Sigma E33 brush to blend it here in the middle of my eyelid. Then with the smaller blending brush, this is the Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to take the same amber shade from the brown sugar palette and blend it in the middle of my eyelid. I just want to make my outer, what is this one? Outer eye darker. I just want to make my outer eye darker, this part. So I'm going to use some black eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette, and this is the KARAJA No. 8 brush. Just place it outside and on top of the shadow shield, and not too much. You always have to be careful with black eyeshadow. So this is how it should look. Now we can remove the eyeshadow shields slowly. It's like removing a bra end of a long day. Do you see that? The sharpness? We're going to clean under the eye. Before we do that, I'm going to finish the rest of my face with the base, and I'll be right back. Base is done, foundation and concealer are done. Next, I'm going to go to this Fenty Beauty Espresso Matchstick to contour and get snatched. Contour is done. Next, I'm going to take this JUVIA'S Place I Am Magic setting powder. This is in Sahara, and use it to powder my face. I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to take a little bit of powder on my sponge just to set the makeup. Then I'm going to work on the bottom part of my eye, and I'm going to start with this dark shade from the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette, and with the help of my Morphe E36 brush, and start applying it just on the outer part of my lower part of my eye, just to blend it with the top. Next, with my COLOURPOP E10 brush, it's like a pencil brush. I'm gonna take the first brown and apply it in the middle part of my lower eye. And then last but not least, I'm gonna take this amber shade from the Sugar Pop palette, and with the help of my Gosh lip / eyeliner brush, I'm gonna apply it in the inner part, closer to my inner part of the eye. I'm not going to apply eyeliner on the top of my eyelid, but I will apply on the inner corner. I'll do the inner corner wing. So to do that, I'm going to take my Sigma Wicked gel liner, and for brush, I'm going to take the Real Techniques fine liner brush. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash Mascara. Comes in a small applicator like this, small brush, and I'll apply it on my top and bottom lashes. Mascara done. Now I'm going to apply my false lashes. I'll be right back. So lashes are done. Next step, I want to be a little bit more snatched in the cheek area. So I'm going to take my NYX 3 Steps to Scalp contour palette and go with this shade. This is my Real Techniques contour brush. Contouring is done. Next, I'm going to highlight with this BECCA highlighter called Opal. And I'm going to use my Real Technique setting brush to highlight. We are going full glam today. And where am I going? Nowhere. Going to the kitchen. Last but not least, we're gonna do the lippies. I'm gonna start with my KKW Lipliner. This is in Nude 3. I love me some nudes. And then next I'm gonna go with this Dose of Colors. Honey, I'm home. That's the shade. And that is it. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching my video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, don't hate, meditate. Thank you for watching. Bye.